Man, it's great to be back in California. Long trip, but you know what? This placement business will give you the opportunity to travel, will give you the opportunity to be with your family, give you an opportunity to be flexible in all that you do, man. And it will grow your bank account. But beyond that, man, if you want to learn this business, you can get in and no money down now. No money down, no money out of your pocket. Matter of fact, if you want, you can text me below. You see my number. Go to my link somewhere around this video, and you can hop on a free 7-day training about how to do this business. You'll see students in that private group asking questions, interacting. We've got students from 27 different states now. You can join, you can do this, work out of your house, help people at no cost, no obligation, and make a great deal amount of money for your family. The average income in the United States is $56,000 a year. It will blow that away. Text me, call me. We'd love to hear from you.